Drums and trumpets rang out in ceremonial fashion as the Wounded Warrior Battalion West was activated aboard Camp Pendleton August 1st. The ceremony was held at Camp Pendleton's Naval Hospital and hosted more than 200 guests. The battalion is part of the newly formed Wounded Warrior Regiment based in Quantico, Virginia, and is the sister unit to the Wounded Warrior Battalion East at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. Marines in the battalion will carry on traditional obligations by assembling for formations and performing duties to the best of their capabilities.
It's a pretty good environment to recover, as far as the structure is not too strict, but at the same time you're still a Marine. But they make sure you get your scheduled appointments at whatever facility, either here on base or they have a couple off-base facilities. They provide transportation, food, places to sleep, entertainment, and there's all sorts of events that people hold for us.
As well as providing the necessary medical attention, the battalion offers Marines an even greater service, a sense of belonging.
It kind of seemed like you're just on your own with you and your case manager and your doctors. And having an actual battalion, an actual unit to represent you, it's going to unify everybody a lot more, I think.
Sergeant Major Bradley Castle was the guest of honor for the event. Castle took time out to talk with injured Marines and offered his words of encouragement.
The nicest thing about all this is just knowing that if any of my friends get injured or anything overseas, I know they're going to be taken care of.
Reporting from Camp Pendleton, California, I'm Lance Corporal Nick Linneman.